Ever wondered why our lungs don't collapse even after a forceful expiration? The answer, according to a NEET 2017 question, is because of the residual volume. This fact also explains why some air always remains in our lungs, a concept put to test in NEET 2016 paper. The reason? There's a negative intrapleural pressure pulling at the lung walls. Switching gears. Do you know the chronic respiratory disorder mainly caused by cigarette smoking? No, it's not asthma but emphysema. That's a question from NEET 2016, and about 70% of carbon dioxide absorbed by our blood is transported to the lungs as bicarbonate ions, a NEET fact from the 2014 paper. Lastly, ever considered how altitude affects us? People who've migrated to high altitudes like Rotang Pass often suffer from altitude sickness with symptoms like nausea and fatigue. A cool insight from NEET 2012. Stay tuned and subscribe to Hilal Seer's biology channel and Telegram channel Hilal Bioloom for more intriguing Q&As.